guys, it's Elijah Alex here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know you guys may know the hit TV show on HBO, Euphoria, and all the trending looks and TikToks that are coming from that TV show. So with your request, you guys decided to choose my makeup look for today, which is a Euphoria makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see me get into that, stay tuned and let's dive in. So I'm just gonna take my priming base in the MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre and just prime my lids to get ready for that eyeshadow. So today we're going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette. Use code GLAMFAM598 and we're going to dip into shade Single first into our inner crease corners and just kind of take it on our 443 brush and take it in our inner corners. Using a 456 brush, we're going to dip into the shade Single and take that underneath in our crease. And we're gonna take it deep in our crease and just kind of deepen up that crease there and create some contrast between the two purple colors. We definitely want to keep these purple colors definitely blended and also still in that color range so you can see the light to dark in the purple as well, and you can still see that shape. That's ooh, that is super pretty. Love that. Okay, that's super pretty. Work. Going into our palette with a 507 brush, we're gonna go and dip in just a little bit to the shade Spooky and kind of give ourselves a little bit of a deeper crease and kind of just smoke it out a little bit before we put glitter. Euphoria looks are mostly like really glittery, really rhinestones, very like trippy in a way. Like you did your makeup, but you didn't do your makeup. Well, they did their makeup, but they added rhinestones and they added a lot of glitter to it. Or sometimes it's just a lot of glitter on the lid and that's it. But you kind of get the gist of like, it's a vibe. It's like a trippy vibe really. So that's usually in the whole, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay. And I'm just gonna kind of deepen out this crease corner. That's not even my crease corner, my outer corner. Girl, I never know which one is which. I just go with what the blend is going. The blend takes over and the blend does what she needs to do. Escucha las libres. Alright, going into our 24A Artist Pass palette, we're just gonna go into the shade Spotlight Stealer and also going to the shade Invite Only and start packing on some glitter on the lid and also some glitter on the lower lash line as well. So let me take this. I'm going to take this on a 152 brush and I'm just going to kind of pack on the glitter lightly. I don't want to overdo it and over tread it because this glitter is very, very pigmented. So I don't want to get glitter all over my lid. I still want to keep the glitter very focused as well. Alright, so I'm just going to take the shade Single and Escape on a 213 brush and kind of just like sweep it under my lash line just to connect the two colors on the top of my lid together to the bottom. Taking the shade Ring Light on a 431 brush, we're just going to go in our inner corner and create a little highlight to mesh with the glitter so it all kind of connects and intertwines very well. Intertwine. Since when do I use that type of vocabulary? I am using new vocabulary with you guys, okay? I am using new I'm using new vocab. You get what I'm trying to say, oh my gosh. I'm using new vocab. Send help now. Alright you guys, that's one eye done on camera. I'm gonna go off camera and finish the other eye and come right back so we can finish out this look. Alright, that is both eyes done. I went ahead and popped on some Lavender Boutique lashes in the shade Rhonda and also did a little bit of glitter work so it looks like I'm crying glitter I'm looking in the monitor, I'm like, that's really pretty, but now we're still not done with this look. We have one more thing to do, which is add on the rhinestones. I'm going to be adding on rhinestones from Swarovski crystals, and I'm just gonna add on little rhinestones in areas on the side of my face, not too much, because I don't want everything to clash with like the glitter and everything, and I don't want it to be too over the place and all over the place and all over the place, pretty much. So I'm gonna take some lash glue and I'm just gonna kind of just dot around where I want those rhinestones to be placed on the side of my face. Alright you guys, after a long while of doing makeup and a couple of mispronounced words, this is the finishing look. Alright you guys, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button on your way out so you can be a part of the Gorgies, the secret elite group that is my fan base. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell so you get all notifications I post a brand new YouTube video. You can follow me on all my social media platforms at Elijah Alex with 2 X's and on Snapchat Elijah Alex 1. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to become the artist. Bye!